Today we're talking about collaboration as part of the Meridian 180 Hub at UNSW. Collaboration is a fundamental life skill. It's also a key part of great research. We're going to hear from the experts, followed by Q&A and a broad discussion in the spirit of collaboration.
I'm really excited to be here today to talk about the very important role that language plays in collaboration. There's a really strong call for scholars and practitioners to work together to achieve positive outcomes, but often we don't have the space to really think about what collaboration means and how to do it well. So these kinds of events are really super opportunity to do just that.
It's important to discuss these topics because you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You don't want to make the same mistakes that other people made. So getting together to talk about experience, to share insights is key to the whole process.
What I found was interesting and refreshing to me was that collaboration can be difficult, and it's okay for collaboration to be difficult. Quite often when you're working with external partners, they have different expectations, and it's really important to get some common ground with those expectations on how you're going to collaborate.
I hope people will walk away today with a few practical strategies about how they can make sure language works for them in their collaborations.